Hello, we're here at Shoe Healer. We've had some Lokes brought in. These are the Loake, what are they? Burford. The Burford 2 from Loake. These have been taken to a local shoe shop, and that shoe shop has had them repaired, probably by a local repairer. Now, I'm spouting on about repairs a lot, and it's not that we are absolute king, because there's a lot of better repairers than us out there. We are a good high street repairer, and what we don't like to see is crap repairs. If you can't do a good repair, don't do a repair at all. Look at these here. Look, we've got these Lokes here, and my pet hate, they've been stitched over. We've two lots of stitching there. Not only have we got two lots of stitching, but we can see here where the machine that stitched these is not pulling tight. There are two threads on the machine, and that thread should meet beautifully in the middle. If this is all loose here, it means that the sole is going to be loose, and we just put that in there. Look, and you can see this outsole stitcher, it's the outsole stitcher that stitches these together, is not set up right, and it's not pulling the thread right. And this here, look at that. Absolutely, we could go all the way around there. Look, and that's opening up because of all this loose thread. So not only have we got two lots of thread in the welt, but we've also got a stitching machine that's not set up right. I should pop round and just set the tension for them and sort it out. So that again is just keeping this apart here. Look at that. Look, see that just splitting, and we shall, when the boot moves, we'll have movement in there. Anyway, that's one of the things on this pair of shoes. Also, somebody's asking online, how do we detect a compressed cardboard heel stack, which is on the 1880 range of shoes? And it's not actually. They've pointed out to me it's not compressed cardboard. It's reconstituted leather and all the sweeping ups from the factory mixed with some glue. This is the material here. This is what it's like. Look, this could be, it just comes up like that. This could be leather. Leather lifts is what we get in Barkers, and we get in a lot of the other shoes, the Cheaneys and the quality shoes that we make. So unfortunately, this is the compressed cardboard. Now, what you normally see on these shoes is you normally see this cardboard here. This, sorry, I've got to stop saying that. This material here, reconstituted leather material, and then you would see a leather lift on top of it, and then the heel. These have been brought back in because when the customer's wearing them, it's hurting his calves, and the reason being, when this shoe has been rebuilt by somebody local to us, they've taken off the leather lift that was on there along with the heel, and now the heel's too low and the chap feels like he's leaning backwards in them. You've got to really get the balance right on your shoes when you're having them repaired.